Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve Chapter 2 exercise problem number 2.82. While solving this problem, we will be using Kirchoff's current law. According to this law, a cumulative current on a node inside an electrical network is always equal to 0. Sum of all entering currents on a node is always equal to sum of all leaving currents from that node. We also will be using Ohm's law. According to this law, voltage across any resistance R is always equal to the product of current through it and the value of resistance itself. Now move towards the problem. Exercise problem number 2.82. Find current IS in given below figure. In this network, we have to calculate the value of total current labeled as IS. So without wasting time, let's proceed towards the solution. If we observe, this is a parallel network and current through this resistance as well as the value of resistance is provided in this scenario. So using this provided data, we can apply Ohm's law on this 2 kilo ohm resistance to calculate voltage across this resistance. That same voltage will be appearing across this 4 kilo ohm resistance as well. And whenever we will have the value of voltage across this 4 kilo ohm resistance, we will be able to calculate current through this resistance as well. After calculating the current of this resistance, we will be able to calculate total supplied current because it is the sum of both currents through these resistances. So start from here. First of all, we will calculate voltage across this 2 kilo ohm resistance. Equation of voltage for this 2 kilo ohm resistance will be the product of current through it and the value of resistance. 5 milliampere multiplied by 2 kilo ohm. Take the product of 5 milliampere and 2 kilo ohm. It will result 10 volt. Milli will cancel out with K. Now 10 volt is appearing across this 2 kilo ohm resistance. And as we discussed earlier, same voltage will be appearing across 4 kilo ohm resistance as well. Now we have two quantities across this resistance. One is the value of resistance and other one is the voltage across it. So we can calculate current through it using Ohm's law. Current I through this resistance will be equal to 10 volt divided by 4 kilo ohm. Solve this equation to calculate current I, that will be 2.5 milliampere. So modify the circuit with calculated value of current through this branch. Current through this branch is 5 milliampere and current through this branch is 2.5 milliampere. And the direction of current is leaving from this node because only one current is entering on this node and two currents are leaving from this node. Now we will apply Kirchoff's current law on this node to calculate the current IS. For that purpose, we will write KCL equation of this node. First of all, the entering current will be taken. On this node, only one current is entering, that is labeled as IS, and we are interested to calculate its value. After that, two currents are leaving and both currents will be taken with minus signs because these are leaving currents. First current is 2.5 milliampere and other current is 5 milliampere. Add these constants together. Minus 2.5 milliampere and 5 milliampere will result minus 7.5 milliampere. And place this minus 7.5 milliampere on the other hand side of equal to calculate the value of IS, that will be 7.5 milliampere. So this was exercise problem number 2.82. Thank you. See you again in next video.